Hello everyone, this is Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. I also want to remind you that some of my video courses are already available. Buy them if you haven't done it yet. I would really appreciate your support. Today, I'd like to give you a review of my new outfit. Have a look at the skirt. It's pretty long and it's made of lace. The skirt could have been straight, but in this case, we would have needed to make a slit. This A-line skirt is very comfortable for walking. It doesn't hold my movements down. There are two side seams and a seam at the center back with a zipper and a button. The skirt is made of lace and crepe. It's not lined. The lace is fixed to the crepe by back stitches all over the skirt. It's very important to fix the lace when you double a large detail with it. The jacket is made according to the 10 measurement cutting system. There are two princess seams and two flap pockets on the front. When we first made the collar, I didn't like it. This line wasn't beautiful. That's why we made kind of a tuck here. It's hidden under the collar. Now the neckline is more round and it's pretty open. I think that it looks much better. I can combine the jacket with my vintage Chanel earrings. Blue and red stones suited very well. I wanted to put on my red shoes, but then I realized that they would attract too much attention. I wanted to show you my new skirt and the jacket. That's why I put on different shoes. They also fit the outfit well. Unfortunately, my blue and gray shoes do not fit the skirt at all. I will probably wear my red shoes for some special occasions. I can also combine the jacket with my pearl necklace. It will also look very beautiful. Today I've decided to wear my red beads. These are regular one-seam sleeves. It's quite loose, it's very comfortable. I like it. You can make different sleeves. Make them long or 3/4 sleeves. In my case, the length is below the elbow. The jacket is buttoned with snaps. I'm not going to take it off to show you in detail. The jacket is lined. It's pretty simple. As I've said, the skirt has 3 seams in it. The overcuts were stitched by hand. The lace is fixed with the back stitches. There is nothing special to show you. I wanted to be different and change your clothing habits sometimes. If you like pencil skirts, do not wear them all the time. Sew an A-line skirt. I've decided to show this by my own example. That's why I made this skirt. I can combine it both with a bright jacket and with other garments from my wardrobe. As for the jacket, it would look beautiful with a red pencil skirt. I'm sure that I'll create a lot of different outfits with these garments. These garments will help me be different and beautiful every day. Have one more look at the jacket. The dart goes from the princess seam. I hope you already know how to make such darts. There are no shoulder pads in the jacket. I wanted it to be pretty soft. The shoulder pads would have made it stronger. You can insert them if you want to. It's a must for people with the sloping shoulders. You should make the garments that fit you well. We've already shown you how to make different details. You can make side details instead of the side seams, dolman sleeves, raglan sleeves, different colors, and so on and so forth. Watch the series of the videos on working with the basic patterns. We show you a lot of different techniques and details in them. You have an opportunity to be creative. There is no need to buy very expensive fabric. For example, these lace and crepe are pretty cheap. Nevertheless, the skirt looks beautiful and it's very comfortable. I like it. Try to be different and change your clothing habits. Make long and short skirts, various jackets and blouses. Combine the garments of different colors. I wish you good luck in sewing. I hope that you will find suitable designs and color combinations. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Irina Paukshte. Buy my courses, subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.